All right, welcome to chapter 10. You'll see here chapter 10 is again a little bit longer of a chapter. We've got 9 sections throughout there. So we start off by talking really about conic sections, lines, parabolas, ellipses, hyperbolas. Then we move into parametric and polar equations and the graphs of that. You'll see here that we have the collaboration station. You do have a self-check and then the quiz. And then just to talk about some of those objectives, really what you want to focus on is being able to write equations and graph conic sections. Again, anytime we're talking about graphing, it's great if you know how to do it in a graphing calculator, but you also want to be able to graph something non-calculator. Just practicing those skills that are going to be needed for something like calculus AB or calculus BC, because it does have a non-calculator portion of that exam. You need to be able to write equations in parametric form, write equations in polar form, and then graph both polar and parametric equations. So really, this chapter is focusing really heavily on both graphing of a lot of different types of equations and being able to write an equation in that form, because these are going to be equations that aren't as familiar to you at this point.